Hi, today I just want to show you some exercises you can do that will strengthen your lower back. They're exercises that you can do at home, don't need any equipment. Some of them are specific to work on the lower back muscles, and other ones are to work on the core area around your middle, which we need to focus on. If we're going to look to strengthen lower back, then we're going to need to strengthen the muscles that also work with those lower back muscles. And in this case it's everything around the midsection. So we're going to start with a plank, which I'm sure you've heard of before. Coming down, going to be on our elbows. We want to create a nice straight line from our shoulders to our feet, and we're just going to hold the position. You want to hold this from anything from 20 seconds to 1 minute, depending on your ability. When you've done that for a while and you've got the strength in the midsection to cope with that, you can add a few movements to that which make it slightly harder. A simple one to do is just to gain that plank position, and all you can do is step to one side and then step over to the other side, and you just keep that action going. So if you would normally hold your plank for 1 minute, then you do this action for the whole 1 minute, and that adds again extra stability, extra stimulus to those core muscles. From that normal plank, we're going to go on to a side plank. Now this one, again, we're just going to hold a stationary position. Again, we want to try and create a straight line down our body, holding that position. And again, you want to hold this for 20 to 30 seconds. Once you've got the strength again with that in a static position, again we can add some movement to it. So again, get in the side plank position, we're going to reach down underneath the body and reach up to the sky. Reach down under the body and up to the sky again. Doing about 10 of these each side is enough to really get that core working, build up the strength in those muscles to stabilise that lower back. Okay, next one we're going to do is more specific for the lower back itself. We're going to come on all fours, and then we're going to raise up one arm and the opposite leg to a horizontal position, back down again. The other side, up and down. You carry on that action. Again, around about 20 of these is good, 10 each side. You'll feel that working in the lower back. Again, if you find it hard to stabilise yourself, maybe you haven't been doing much exercise, you can do just the lower section, just the legs. So the legs are coming up one at a time. Again, you'll really be working that lower back in this exercise. Okay, so another variation on that one we can do lying down. So lying on your front, hands out above your head, and we're going to do the same thing, one leg, opposite arm. Just keep the action going. Again, 10 to 20 reps is good. That's it. And the last one we're going to do today is just going to be simple forward bend. Now for this one, you place your hands next to your head. If you feel like you've got weakness or maybe a little bit of pain in the back, you can place them behind your back, which will make it slightly easier. To make it really hard, you can keep your hands above your head. So basically we're going to go with this position today. Little bend in the knees, back nice and straight. You're just coming down and straight back up. So again, if you struggle to come all the way down, that's okay. If it's from pain or maybe some weakness, then just come down as far as you can. You don't want to aggravate those muscles. 10 to 15 reps is good on this one. So that's giving you some good exercises you can do that will strengthen not only the lower back muscles but the muscles around the core as well, which ultimately will lead to a stronger position for that lower spine and pelvis area. Hope that